M12 drill kit from Milwaukee. Now, it comes with the M12 impact driver, comes with the impact 13mm chuck hammer drill / drill. Now, M12, can't brag enough about it, right? My M18 impact driver is actually retired on the back wall. That's how much faith I've got in this thing. It's got heaps of power, beautiful for maintenance. Obviously, on this one here, it's a little bit different. The old one's got 2-speed, the new one has 4 functions, so it's got 3 speeds, but it's got a self-tapping mode, which we'll go through a bit later on. As you can see, the sizes are a little bit different. The new one's a lot shorter. Fits very, very well in your hand, I like that. Now let's have a look at the hammer drills. They've got 13mm chucks on them. Now the new one's obviously, again, probably about 30mm shorter than the old one, there you go. But it's still got the same 2-speed, all that kind of stuff. Comes in a bag, charger, 2 batteries. So if you're looking for a drill, these are very impressive. I love the M12 stuff. So there you go, guys.